I gotta look that up. Sophie Rain said she spent $193,845 on a 3-day Coachella trip for her friends and herself. It was an $83,000 Airbnb for 3 days. For 3 days, maybe 4 nights. 4 nights, Thursday through Sunday. $20,000 a day. $67,000 for 12 artist passes and $37,000 for a private jet. Okay, well, she spent $193K to bring 12 people to full access Coachella. And she also makes like $80 million a year, so...
Leave, so you're like, oh, how am I going to feed my...
That's like not a lot of money. That's